Today we discussing the topic is oscillation. Now we can explain some problems on this oscillation. The first exercise 2 in question number 1. Here is given a particle is subjected to simple harmonic motion x1. The displacement is given by the x1 a sine omega t, and another displacement x2 is given by the a sine omega t plus pi by 4. The resultant simple harmonic motion will have the amplitude. The resultant amplitude. Resultant amplitude. The resultant amplitude is greater than AR is equal to under root R. Now here is the two equations. Now first one is consider A1 and second one is consider the A2. Write here the A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 into cos theta. Theta is nothing but angle. But observing here the first wave and second wave, the how much of the phase difference is there here, the pi by 4. The phase difference is nothing but theta is equal to pi by 4. So the phase. Then this value is substitute here. The resultant amplitude AR is equal to under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 into cos of pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. Now we can write here the 45 degrees. Now cos 45, since cos of 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Substitute here under root of A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 into 1 by root 2. Now it's cancelled. That is equal to under root of A1 square plus A2 square root 2 into A1 A2 is equal to resultant amplitude. Now we are discussing about the question number 3. The time period of a particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. The time period is here small t is equal to 12 seconds. So what is the time taken to make a displacement equal to half of its amplitude? The displacement is given by y is equal to half of the amplitude. That means how much of the time taken. We know the formula for the displacement. What is the formula of the displacement? The y is equal to a sine omega t. This is the general equation of a simple harmonic motion. Y is equal to a sine of omega t. Here observing the y is equal to how much is there? A by 2. We can substitute here a by 2 is equal to a into sine omega t. A gets cancelled. That we can write here the 1 by 2 is equal to sine omega t. Now sine is taken in this side. The sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to omega into t. Since the sine 1 by 2, that is the theta is sine 30 is equal to sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can write here the 30. 30 we can write here pi by 6 is equal to 30 degrees. We can write here the pi by 6 is equal to omega into t. We know that the omega is equal to the angular frequency or angular velocity is equal to 2 pi by t. Substitute here the pi by 6 is equal to 2 pi by t into small t. Now write here the given values. The small t is equal to how much is given by the here the 12. Now you can write here the pi gets cancelled. Okay. Then here here is given by the capital T is equal to. Then find out the small t. Right, substitute here the 1 by 6. The take a cross multiply 12 is equal to 1 by 12 into small t. 12 gets cancelled. T is equal to 1 second. Let's see the question number 6. The equation motion of a particle in simple harmonic motion is, that is given by the a plus 16 pi square into x is equal to 0. This is the given by the one equation. In equation A is a linear acceleration. by the linear acceleration. Linear acceleration of the particle at displacement in x meter. The time period of the simple harmonic motion. The time period t is equal to how much? We know that. Therefore, simple harmonic motion of acceleration. Acceleration. The standard equation A is equal to minus omega square into x. This is considered from above equation. Above equation. We can write. So what we can write is that A is equal to minus 16 pi square into x. This is considered the equation number 1. This is considered the equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Observing here, what is the omega is replaced by the 16 into pi. Right here the omega square is equal to 16 into pi square. We know that again the omega is equal to, what is the formula is there? 2 pi by t. Now write here the omega. Substitute here 2 pi by t whole square is equal to 16 into pi square. Now squaring here the 2 whole square 4 and pi square and denominator t square is equal to 16 pi square. Pi square and it is cancelled off the 4 times and t square is equal to 1 by 4, that is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 by 2 seconds. And next see the question number 9. Two simple harmonic oscillation with amplitudes of the ratio. Amplitude of the ratio is nothing but A1 by A2 is equal to get by the 1 by 2. Are having the total energy, the ratio of the frequency. What is the ratio of frequency? Ratio of the frequency, how much? So we know that total energy is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 m omega square into a square. Here omega is nothing but angular frequency or angular velocity. A is the amplitude. We can write this one, second this side. Omega square is inversely proportional to the square of the amplitude. Omega is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi by t. We can write here the 4 pi square by t square is directly proportional 1 by a square. That means the t square is directly proportional to the a square and time period is inversely proportional to the frequency. We can write the 1 by n square inversely proportional to the a square. Write the ratio n1 square by n2 square is equal to a2 square by a1 square, that is equal to n1 by n2 is equal to, is the squaring on both sides cancel, but a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here is given by the a2 by a1. We can write it as 2 by 1. This is the ratio of frequency. n1 by n2 is equal to 2:1. The question number 11. A body is dropped from height of h. This is the body is dropped to the height of h onto the floor. That makes elastic collision with the floor. The frequency of oscillation of its period motion is frequency of oscillation of its periodic motion. See here, the frequency of oscillation of the periodic motion is, we know that the time period of oscillation, therefore time period of oscillation. What is the formula? T is equal to 2 pi into under root of L by G. Time period, what is the formula? Is that T is equal to 2 pi under root of L by 2. So first, here, the first of all we can find it here the L. See, the L we can find it when it's a drop onto the floor. So this is the body, so drop onto the floor. Initial velocity U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. And S is equal to H, displacement. A is equal to G. And time T is equal to T. Using S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is equal to ut plus. Right? And U is equal to 0. S is equal to how much? H is equal to what is the other? Half G T square. Then the T is equal to 2H by G into under root. Take the cross multiplication and the square is taken inside root. The T is equal to 2H by G. Here the T is nothing but time. But here the time when it is the elastic collision. What is the elastic collision? Elastic collision means the total time. That means the time of flight. The time of flight is nothing but time of ascent plus time of descent is called the time of flight. But here only is the body is dropped from the height to the ground. That is the only time of ascent. The time of ascent is equal to time of ascent. T is equal to T by 2. Now can substitute here the T by 2 into under root of 2H by G. And 2 is taken here the 2 into under root of 2H by G. Since here the frequency is inversely proportional to the time period, then we can write here the time period in frequency L is equal to 1 by 2 into under root of G by 2H. This is the frequency of a particle. Next, so question number 14. Question number 14. A particle is vibrating in SHM amplitude. What is given by the amplitude is given by the 4 centimeter. At what displacement for the equilibrium position? It's half of potential and half of kinetic energy. See here, half of potential energy is equal to half of kinetic energy. Half of potential is equal to half of kinetic energy. We know that potential energy. What is the formula for the potential energy of oscillation? This is 1 by 2 m omega square into y square. And kinetic energy. What is the formula for the kinetic energy? Half m omega square e square minus y square. These two equations substitute on here. Right here the 1 by 2 potential energy. Potential energy how much? 1 by 2 m omega square into y square is equal to here also 1 by 2 into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy how much is it? 1 by 2 m omega square a square minus y square. Now half m omega square, half m omega square. Here y square is equal to a square minus y square. This minus y square is taken this side. See, minus y square which coming this side is a plus. And y square plus y square. 2y square is equal to a square. And y square is equal to a square by 2. And y is equal to a by root 2. A by root 2. But here is given. The what is given by the a value? A is equal to how much is given by the 4 centimeter. Now we can write here the a is equal to 4 by root 2. Now the 4 is equal to we can write the 2 into 2 by root 2. And 2 can also write root 2 into root 2 into 2 by root 2. Now root 2 gets cancelled. The y is equal to 2 root 2 centimeters. How much of the distance is there here? The 2 root 2 centimeters. Next, see the question number 17. Question number 17. For a body in simple harmonic motion, the velocity is given by, the velocity how much is given by the v is equal to under root of 144 minus 16x square meter per second. The maximum acceleration of maximum is equal to how much? Now this equation is converted here. The maximum acceleration we can find it. Therefore, acceleration of maximum. What is the formula? Is there a omega square. A is nothing but to amplitude. Omega is nothing but to angular velocity or angular frequency. Now this equation, above equation, v is equal to under root of 144 minus 16 x square. Here we can write here the 144, we can write 9 into 16 minus 16 x square. 9 to 16 also 144. And here take the common for here, the 16 will be take the common. 9 minus x square. 9 minus x square. Now 16 we can write that before here the 4 into under root of 9 minus x square. It is a v is equal to. This equation consider the one. Therefore, velocity of SHM, velocity of HSH, v is equal to omega into under root of a square minus x square. This is considered the equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Omega is equal to, how much is there here? The 4. And amplitude a is equal to 3 because of here is given by a square is equal to 9. Then we can write a is equal to 3. These two values substitute on here. A maximum is equal to a omega square. A is equal to how much is 3 and omega is equal to is there 4 whole square. 4 whole square 16 to 3. How much is 48 meter per second square.